Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Stardup and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 26th of April today, Wednesday. And in our today's review, first we will continue the topic of crypto regulation and discuss how things go in the United Kingdom and the US. And then we will get to technical picture of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we will start with an article by Katerina Kiselova and talk about crypto regulation. After the European Parliament voted for adoption of the law for crypto regulation, the UK's Financial Conduct Authority now wants to cooperate with cryptocurrency firms to form regulation, as stated by Executive Director Sarah Pritchard at the conference in London on Tuesday. And in February, the UK government's financial division, the Treasury, launched consultations on cryptocurrency, during which it seeks some feedback from stakeholders on how to regulate the sector. And according to Pritchard, in the consultations they conducted, it was indicated that the authority could introduce a new authorization regime for cryptocurrency companies, including foreign firms. And it also plans to launch a digital asset promotion regime. She urged to work together in this field to shape rules and regulations to benefit markets, consumers, and firms as crypto goes already to mainstream. And according to Pritchard, out of the cryptographic applications received by the authority from firms wishing to register with them, 195 were either rejected or withdrawn, and only 41 crypto firms managed to obtain registration. Meanwhile, in the US, the process also goes on, and Commodity Futures Trading Commission Commissioner Christy Goldsmith-Romero stated that cryptocurrencies are used to finance cybercrimes with victims, including individuals, companies, hospitals, and critical infrastructure facilities. And she said that it is essential for government and particularly the industry to address that, which makes crypto so attractive to illicit finance, and that is the allure of anonymity. And cryptocurrency companies that comply with legislative requirements should not use mixers or software tools that effectively anonymize users by combining and scrambling cryptocurrencies from thousands of addresses. And she also said that Congress is already considering new laws on addressing anonymity and digital identity. And cryptocurrency companies that meet the requirements must demonstrate that they have internal controls to prevent money laundering and terrorist financing. Thus, regulators all over the world, in the US, the European Union, the UK, and other countries, are trying to curb cryptocurrency before global standards for the border sector are agreed upon and implemented. Okay, and now let's get to technical picture. We'll start with Bitcoin, the article by Ralph Shadler. Bitcoin rallied. The article was written today in the morning. It's quite fresh, and the Bitcoin rallied in the last hours and was trading at the point 27,633 at the time of writing. As long as the downside pressure remains high, the crypto could extend its downside movement anytime. And technically, a rebound was natural following a sell-off. If we look at the chart, we can see that Bitcoin is trapped between the levels 27,140 and 27,883. An escape from this pattern could bring new opportunities. A drop below the median line signaled strong sellers and a potential deeper drop. The rate tried to test and retest the broken median line, but it has failed, indicating strong downside pressure. So, as we already know from Ralph's previous analysis, a bearish closure below 27,140 activates further drop and is seen as a selling opportunity. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's 26th of April. And Bitcoin opened today at point 27,969. And now it is trading at the point 28,477. What can we say? It's really managed to escape that very channel, narrow range it was trading in, and escaped the pattern, and it's so far moving upwards. So probably it has finally resumed his uptrend. Anyway, it looks like that. And now let's get to Ethereum and the article by Sebastian Seligam. Let's have a look at the chart. And the Ethereum American dollar pair has bounced from the lows seen at the level of 1,802 after the 5-wave impulsive decline had been terminated. The market is currently trading just below their short-term trend line resistance, and breakout above this line is needed to continue the bounce towards one of the Fibonacci retracement levels. The momentum is neutral on the 4-hour time frame chart after a bounce from the extremely oversold levels, so there is a chance to continue the upward movements towards the point 1,131. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. And Ethereum opened today, the 26th of April, at the point 1,864, and now it is trading at the point the same, 1,864. It also arose from yesterday, and so far it's below that very important point Sebastian mentioned. However, it's also moving upwards, similar to Bitcoin, so probably the trend is also bullish. Well, that's all for today. We'll see each other in our next review tomorrow. As usual, I wish you profitable trading and a fantastic day. See you next time. Bye-bye.